Made in the USA from the highest quality materials, these boats are built to last. Porta-Bote, for quality you deserve, dependability you can rely on, performance that will amaze you, and a lifetime of fun and adventure you'll never forget. Your adventure starts with the amazing folding design of the Porta-Bote. Whether you're an avid fisherman, weekend warrior, or just wanting to enjoy a lazy day on the water, with Porta-Bote you'll experience the wonders and beauty of the great outdoors, create new and precious moments with family and friends that will last forever. With 4 different sizes and 3 colors to choose from, Porta-Bote has the perfect boat for you. Porta-Bote has a full line of accessories that will make your experience even more memorable. With Porta-Bote's compact, foldable design, you'll never have to tow a trailer again. At Porta-Bote, we make trailers obsolete. Check us out at portabote.com for all our accessories and ongoing sales.